Live your own life. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. This is your life. Your life. This is yours. You know, your life. Did you hear? I mean, not your partner or your family or your mom or your lover or your favorite artist or some special person's life. This is your life. It's yours. So why would you let go of your own hand to build someone else's dream and life? You want to live someone else's dream? Why would you do that? You know, I have heard it many times from each and every one of my clients. This was my mother's wish. That was my father's wish. That was my girl's wish. That was my lover's wish. Or the wish of an artist I love. And I want to fulfill their wishes. Why? Stupid? These are their wishes, not yours. So what about you? Oh my God. It becomes the equivalent of another's person. I mean, their life. And that person's desires, dreams, goals, wishes. Why? Why would you do that? God. So what about you? God, what about you? What about your dreams? What about your goals? What about your future? What about your life? What about your God, your desires? Oh my God. What about your lives? What? For example, you know, some of my art students, you know, she married her love a few years ago. Now her love has achieved everything he wanted. But that girl, when you look at her, oh my God, her eyes has no sparkle, no opportunity, no dance of life in them. Completely soulless. Yeah, that's true. You can't see anything in her eyes. She is stuck in another time, you know, or she has lost herself in someone else's dream, in someone else's desire, in someone else's life. Why? I think that girl doesn't exist at all. You know, when the opportunities run out, you will be gone forever. So live your own life. Okay? Dear unique, always remember there is only one you. Okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me by listening and watching my videos. Write a comment for me. What do you think? I love you. Bye.